In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could pair a new Fire Stick remote to your Fire TV or Fire Stick without using your old remote. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you're going to want to do is just start by putting a fresh set of batteries into your new Fire Stick remote and then press and hold down on the home button for about 12 to 15 seconds. I recommend counting out loud so you know that you've held it long enough, just to rule out any user error, but your remote should now begin pairing automatically. If it doesn't pair the first time, unplug your TV and your Fire Stick from the power and just leave everything unplugged for about 60 seconds. While it's unplugged, go ahead and press and hold down on the remote, specifically the menu button. You're going to want to hold down the back button and the left directional button all at the exact same time and hold them for about 12 to 15 seconds to reset the remote. From here, go ahead and flip the remote over, remove the batteries for about 10 to 15 seconds and then put them back in, and then plug your Fire Stick back into power and wait for it to load. From here, just press and hold the home button again for about 12 to 15 seconds. If you need, try tapping it a few times in order to help it connect, and it should pair now. And if it's still having any issues, go ahead and connect your phone. Go to the settings tab on here using your phone. Scroll down and you're going to see a controller and Bluetooth devices option on here. Open this up, and then from here, go ahead and find the option to connect a new remote. So open this up, hit add new remote just like so, and then press and hold down on the home button for your new remote until the light flashes. And then of course that flashing blue light means it is pairing successfully. But that is it. That is how you could pair a new Fire Stick remote without needing your old one. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.